Movies, TV, and mass media manipulate our subconscious.
Feel like you're really volitional and acting by your free will to go buy that next thing, not realizing you are just an uncared for slave in a system that's cranking you through.
Yet what if there was a way you could actually program yourself?
The door between the conscious mind and the subconscious mind is wide open. It's very programmable. Very programmable.
What should we be saying or thinking in
You're not
that
doing
state?
anything.
You shouldn't be thinking anything.
The formula is when you sense, we do this naturally when we go to bed at night.
Yes.
But now we're just taking you down the steps so you know the terrain, how to get there. In theta, when you're in that state, you can reprogram, you can rewrite the program. It's easier because you're out of this thinking brain.
So we shouldn't be thinking to reprogram, or just
you won't be thinking, you'll be
itself?
rehearsing.
Rehearsing.
You'll see yourself doing something.
What should we rehearse?
Whatever you want. What do you want? You want to be an excellent handball player? You want to be the top? You got to rehearse.
So you visualize what you want to create.
Yeah, you imagine. But it's better to do it when your body is very relaxed, or better yet, you forgot about your body. That's a better way to say it. Yeah. You could be suggestible to your own auto-suggestions or information that you would want to rewrite as a program. So,
to make this happen, you must always be listening.
Trust the path you choose, and it will protect you, even in darkness. As long as you listen. Always listen.
By listening, you become more aware of the ongoing manipulation triggered via fear and anger.
And if you want to divide a community, choose fear or choose anger, and you'll polarize everybody.
Really?
Of course. And then you can decide what the solution is, because now people will be susceptible to information. They'll believe whatever it is equal to that emotion.
You captivate based on fear or anger. Can you captivate on love?
Yeah, of course, but that's not the program.
Right.
And that's the truth. Nobody wants to hear the truth. They want to hear something that's really going to rock them emotionally. And you're going to give a lot of your attention to that.
One of the keys to all this is to consistently go back to nature.
If you want a teacher, try a waterfall, or a mushroom, or a mountain wilderness, or a storm-pounded seashore. This is where the action is.
By doing this on a regular basis, instead of being hijacked by anger and fear and seeing the worst as it's already here, you start to resonate with your true self, allowing you to resonate with your heart.
When I put my mind in the driver's seat, when I put society's expectations in the driver's seat, when I put other people's opinions in the driver's seat, and my ego hijacks my heart, that's when I know that I'm off. It's a different resonance and frequency, as we know, when we're living from this heart space.
In this way, you start to unhijack yourself from the matrix of control happening all around us. One way to have the capacity for all this is by having time and location-based freedom, which comes from being an online entrepreneur. There are links below in the description that help you get started in a lot of different ways, some of which is just being able to spread messages and create content which help other people get hijacked themselves. If you found this video helpful, you'll definitely want to watch this one and this one. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.